Hello, I'm Joe Walensky, Program Manager for ConveyUX, which is Seattle's annual user experience conference that's coming up again March 11, 12, and 13th for our 7th time. And I get a chance to speak to our many presenters. And today I am talking with Patricio Bustos from Coppel. Hello, Patricio. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Yeah, everything's good. I'm talking from Seattle at the Blink offices. Where are you talking to us from today?
Well, I'm talking from the brand new offices in Coppel offices, which is my company, here in Mexico City.
Well, very good. It's great to have you involved. I thought a good place to start would be for you to talk a little bit about your experience, your background, and the types of things that you do at Coppel.
Okay. Well, I starting working. Well, I am starting as a graphic designer when I was very young. When I was 22 years, I started as a graphic designer. Then I started working in web design. Then I tried to set the word and go to work into an NGO who helps sick people, and mixing the social work and the design and the technology grows my affection or my passion for the UX, and talking with people was enlightenment for me. Well, from 2007, I focused my activity first on web design, then front-end development, and then in 2010 maybe, I start focus exclusively in UX. But well, in Mexico, the term UX is very new, maybe have 5 years. So in the beginnings was very difficult for me talk about usability and user-centered design, But well, right now I'm working in a company who has 10,000 employees, and 100,000 employees. It's a very good news for me that this company start to thinking about the user,
Well, yeah, I mean, it's a huge company. It's one which many people in the United States may not have heard of, but it's certainly there's obviously a lot of things going on there. And you're going to be talking about some of your project work there, specifically in terms of Agile development. Your topic is using the design sprint as part of the UX process at Coppel. So tell us a little bit about how you decided to present this topic and what types of things you'll be talking about.
Well, yes, in my company, and when I start working in or creating the UX area, the UX department, I make for one product, they asked me a design sprint. And the design sprint works very well for that product, and all the areas of Coppel want to a design sprint, but the projects are very different, and maybe the design sprint methodology from the book maybe not fit with all the products that we need to develop. So I have to make an adaptation of the methodology and put into my UX process, into my entire UX process, this methodology or that methodology, and use it for all the challenges of the products that they asked me for develop.
Well, I think it will be an interesting exposure to your work. One of the things about Agile frameworks is that it's so different at different organizations in terms of how they decide to implement it. So we'll look forward to your project, and also look forward to you joining us after your journey from Mexico City here to Seattle.
Yeah, it will be great joining to you and the ConveyUX. I assist to do ConveyUX and was very, very fantastic experience because I could know people who have a very good good process, and I can learn about that process a lot.
Thanks a lot, Patricio. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.